Are you tired of juggling multiple apps for team communication? Imagine a world where all your conversations and data are in one place. With Capsule, you can centralize your customer engagement effortlessly. Experience real-time collaboration. Comments allow your team to discuss updates without leaving the platform. Progress together, share feedback, and foster skills efficiently. Capsule's project management boards bring your team closer. Assign tasks, track progress, and manage ongoing projects seamlessly. With shared inboxes, help your support team resolve customer issues faster and more effectively. Automate repetitive tasks with tracks. Gain visibility across your sales pipeline and customer onboarding swiftly. Easily hand over leads to the right team member for smooth transitions. Control access and oversight effortlessly. Capsule reflects your business structure, ensuring the right people access the right information. Connect your favorite tools seamlessly, boosting productivity while keeping everything organized. Don't let communication barriers hold you back. Discover Capsule today, and elevate your team collaboration. Join us now.